am Dr. Yugal Mishra, Chief of Clinical Services, Head of Cardiac Sciences and Chief Cardiovascular Surgeon, Manipal Hospital, Dwarka, Delhi. Today I am going to explain what is the comprehensive cardiac care at Manipal Hospital, Dwarka. We are completing 5th years of starting up this hospital, and we are fortunate that in these last 5 years we could able to grow extensively in the clinical care and could able to provide excellent medical care to our needy patients in various spheres, whether it is cardiac care, urological care, care for neurological patients, pediatric age group, GYN care, bariatric surgery, liver transplant, kidney transplant, or other related general medical and surgical care to our patients. To talk of comprehensive cardiac care in this hospital, we have a very active team of cardiologists and cardiac surgeons who are involved in a cardiac care in day and night and never leave any lacunae to give best of the best care to our patients. We have one cath lab and now we are in the process of getting another cath lab. So by April 2023, Manipal Dwarka is going to have 2 cath labs. We have 2 operating theatres where we operate various kinds of cardiac procedures for the needy patients. We do open heart surgery, we do beating heart coronary artery bypass surgery, we do total arterial, we do robotic cardiac surgery, we do minimal access cardiac surgery, we are doing surgery for heart failure where we deploy LVADs, BiVADs, ECMOs, we do peripheral vascular disease, we do aortic surgeries and other kinds of open heart and closed heart surgeries in children and adults. We have operated around 1600 cases since 15th October 2018, including our extensive services to the patient in COVID period. We never close our facilities even during epidemic time as well. We were delivering and giving the best. We have operated some of the patients who had heart problems and also had a COVID. By taking all precautions, we have given the best of the best possible treatment to the patients who were having COVID and also suffering from heart problems. We also do structural heart valve therapy with catheter-based technology. We have a very active heart team. We are cardiac surgeons, cardiologists, interventional radiologists, cardiac anesthetists, technicians, all sit together and evaluate the patient and work out the best mode of therapy for that particular patient. So far we have done 23 TAVR procedures in various high-risk patients where some of them the surgery was not possible and in some of them surgery would have been a very high risk. Considering the availability of this technology, we could able to now take care of the patients who earlier were not being suitable for their cardiac procedures. We also venture out to the acute care, particularly the patient who had got acute myocardial infarction. We do primary PTCA. We do also planned PTCA. The patients who had earlier valve replacement and had a thrombosed valve, we take care of them acutely. We also take care of patients who had a previous surgery and somehow that previous surgery is failed, whether it's a coronary artery bypass surgery or valve surgery. So this is a major center where we do a redo heart surgeries with excellent results. Our results are at par with any international standard our re-exploration rate very low, and of course infection is under 1%. This is because of the help of infection control team, very active nursing departments, technicians and other paramedics who are helping us to give best outcome in our cardiac patients. Thank you.